1, basics. Number 2, deemed consideration. Number 3, 45 series. Number 4, section 47, which is transaction not regarded as transfer. In the transaction not regarded as transfer, we have completed all the clauses which are applicable to IPCC or intermediate level students. So in this slot we are doing the clauses which are exclusively applicable for CA final. Sir, section 47, for our class understanding, we have classified into 7 parts. Section 47 we have classified into 7 parts. Part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6 and part 7. Part 1, we have selected 5 clauses out of so many clauses: 47 clause 1, 47 clause 3, 47 clause 4, 47 clause 5, 47 clause 6. What are the 5 clauses we are going to discuss? 47 clause 1, 47 clause 3, 47 clause 4, 47 clause 5, 47 clause 47 clause 1, transfer of capital asset. Transfer of capital asset by an HUF to its members at the time of total or partial partition will not be regarded as transfer. For example, sir, there is an HUF and the HUF வந்து total or partial partition ஆயிட்டாங்க. ஓகேவா? அப்போ யார் இருக்கா? HUF இருக்காங்க. HUF என்னாச்சு? Total or partial partition. Sir, total or partial partition ஆன போது HUF has distributed the asset, capital asset to its members, to its this will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the as per section 47 clause 1. As per section 47. So what is 47 clause 1? Transfer of capital asset by an HUF to its members at the time of total or partial partition will not be regarded as in the hands of the HUF. அப்ப ரெண்டு பார்ட்டிஸ் இருக்காங்களா? ஒன்னு யார் இருக்கா? HUF. இன்னொன்னு யாரு? Members. Transfer of an asset, capital asset by யாரு? HUF to its யாருக்கு? Members at the time of dash or dash will not be regarded as in the hands of the HUF. This is what 47 clause 1. We have discussed in detail about 47 clause 1 in class. Now coming to 47 clause 3, donor to donee. Another? Donor to donee. Sir, transfer of capital asset. சொல்லுங்க. Transfer of capital asset by way of gift or will or inheritance will not be regarded as transfer. அப்ப சார் உங்ககிட்ட ஒரு என்ன asset இருக்கு? Capital asset. அப்ப there are 2 characters are there. Number 1 donor and number 2 donee. Correcta? Sir, transfer of an asset, capital asset by way of gift or will or inheritance. சொல்லுங்க. Transfer of capital asset by way of gift or will or by யாரு? Donor. To யாருக்கு? Donee. Will not be regarded as in the hands of the as per 47 clause 3. 47. Sir, transfer of an asset, capital asset by way of gift or will or inheritance. எத்தனை விஷயங்கள்? 3 விஷயங்கள். அப்ப 47 clause 3, transfer of capital asset by way of gift or will or inheritance. Sir, will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the donor, transferor. ஒத்துக்கிறியா? So what is 47 clause 1? Recall பண்ணு. Transfer of capital asset to its members at the time of total or partial partition will not be regarded as what is 47 clause 3? Transfer of capital asset by way of gift or will or inheritance will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the transferor, that is. So all the other parts we have completed along with the illustration in the class. Correct? Next one, 47 clause 4 and 47 clause 5. Another 47 clause. 2 parties are there. Number 1, holding company. Number 1, wholly owned subsidiary company. சொல்லுங்க. Sir, transfer of an asset by என்ன company? To its wholly owned subsidiary company will not be regarded as per 47 clause 4. As per அப்ப transfer of an asset, capital asset by என்ன company? Holding company to யாருக்கு? Subsidiary company will not be regarded as. அப்ப யாருக்கு transfer பண்றா? Holding company wholly owned subsidiary companyக்கு transfer பண்றாங்க. யாருக்கு? Holding company wholly owned subsidiary companyக்கு capital asset என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னா it will not be regarded as in the hands of the என்ன company. அப்ப holding company அதுக்கு capital gain tax கட்ட வேண்டிய. அப்ப வாங்க consolidation. What is 47 clause 1? Transfer of capital asset by an HUF to its members at the time of total or partial partition will not be regarded as. What is 47 clause 3? Transfer of capital asset by way of gift or will or inheritance will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the transferor, that is donor. Correct? What is 47 clause 4? Transfer of capital asset by a holding company to its wholly owned subsidiary company will not be regarded as per 47 clause. I'm coming to the reverse, which is 47 clause, and all this in a survey of completed in class. 47 clause 5, subsidiary company to any company. That means transfer of an asset, capital asset by a dash company, wholly owned subsidiary company to its any company will not be regarded as per 47 clause 5. 47 அப்ப 47 clause 4 na holding company to 47 clause 5 na subsidiary company to. Are you really with me? So 47 clause 1 சொல்லுங்க. Transfer of capital asset by an HUF to its members at the time of will not be regarded as in the hands of the HUF. What is 47 clause 3? Transfer of capital asset, gift or will or inheritance will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the transferor, that is donor. What is 47 clause 4? Transfer of capital asset to its wholly owned subsidiary company will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the. What is 47 clause 5? Transfer of capital asset wholly owned subsidiary company to its holding company will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the wholly owned. In the hands of the wholly owned. So transfer of capital asset by subsidiary company to will not be regarded as transfer. This is what 47 clause 5. Then we have talked about amalgamation and demerger. Yeah. Sir, amalgamation பொறுத்தவரைக்கும் 3 characters will be there. How many character? Number 1, in the hands of the amalgamating company. In the hands of the amalgamated company. In the hands of the and in the hands of the shareholders of amalgamating company. Shareholders of. My dear lovable students, at the time of amalgamation, all the assets and liabilities of the amalgamating company should become the assets and liabilities of the. அப்ப amalgamating companyயோட எல்லா assets and liabilities யாரோட assets and liabilities மாறும். அப்ப even the capital asset will move from amalgamating company to. It is actually a transfer. It is actually a transfer. But this will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the amalgamating company as per 47 clause 6. As per 47. As per 47. A transfer of an asset, capital asset by any company to any company at the time of amalgamation will not be regarded as transfer. Correct? Yes, repeat once again. Transfer of capital asset by an amalgamating company to the amalgamated company at the time of amalgamation will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the amalgamating company. Correct? Yes, now you may be the shareholders of the amalgamating company. Yes, this company has amalgamated with the amalgamated company. Yes, That means, my dear lovable students, you have relinquished the rights in that share, sir. You have extinguished the rights in that share, sir. You have exchanged the shares of amalgamating company with the amalgamated company. So you have relinquished the shares of the amalgamating company. You have extinguished the rights of that shares of amalgamating company, and you have exchanged the shares by giving the shares of the amalgamating company to get the shares of amalgamate. Actually, as per section 2 subsection N7 47, this is a transfer. This is a transfer. But this will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the, as per section 47 clause 7. As per section 47 clause 7. As per section 47 clause 7. So 47 clause 6 will be applicable in the hands of the amalgamating company. Correct? Yes, sir. And 47 clause 7 will be applicable in the hands of the shareholders of the, and no section will be applicable in the hands of the amalgamated company, because section 47 is from the angle of the transferor, not from the angle of the transferee. Paka. So we have talked about this many clauses till now, my dear lovable students. 47 clause 1, transfer of capital asset by an HUF to its members at the time of total or partial partition will not be regarded as 47, sir, in the hands of the 47 clause 3, transfer of capital asset by way of gift or will or inheritance will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the donor, that is transferor. Correct? Yes, then 47 clause 4, transfer of capital asset by a holding company to its wholly owned subsidiary company will not be regarded as 40 in the hands of the holding company. 47 clause 5, transfer of capital asset by a wholly owned subsidiary company to its holding company will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the wholly owned subsidiary company. Sir, 47 clause 6, transfer of capital asset by a amalgamating company to the amalgamated company will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the amalgamating company. Sir, 47 clause 7, sir, transfer of shares of amalgamating company to get the shares of the amalgamated company will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the shareholders of amalgamating company. As per section 47 clause, so 47 clause 7 is applicable in the hands of the shareholders of amalgamate. So this is what 47 clause 7, sir, it will not be regarded as transfer. எந்த shares கொடுத்து எந்த shares வாங்குறது? amalgamating companyயோட shares கொடுத்து amalgamated companyயோட shares வாங்குனீங்கனா it will not be regarded as in the hands of the shareholders of the. Okay, man. I'm moving into the next clause, which is a new clause which we have not discussed. Now we are going to discuss. This clause actually we have done, whatever clauses I have talked till now has done in detail in the class. Correct? That's why I have just given introduction or just a recap for those clauses, because I don't want to waste our time in those clauses, because we have taken nearly, sir, 5 to 7 hours to explain all those stuffs. Sir, coming to amalgamation. Amalgamation nale 47 clause 6. Amalgamation nale 47 clause 6 is amalgamation. Yes, sir. 6 nale enada amalgamation da. 6 nale, for example, 6 அடிக்கிறதுக்காக தான் IPL players என்ன பண்றாங்க? amalgamate பண்றாங்க. IPL players amalgamate பண்றதே 6 அடிக்கிறதுக்காக தான். அப்ப 47 clause 6 நாலே என்னது? That is Indian amalgamation. That is என்ன? Indian amalgamation. I am going to talk about foreign amalgamation. 47 clause 6A. அப்ப 6 நாலே amalgamation. இது 6 கிடையாது. வெறும் 6 னா என்ன amalgamation? இது என்ன amalgamation? Sir, amalgamating foreign company to amalgamated foreign company. இந்தியானா என்ன சொன்னா போதும்னா amalgamating company to amalgamated company அப்படின்னு சொன்னா போதும். ஆனா Foreign amalgamation na நீங்க என்ன சொல்லணும்னா amalgamating foreign company to amalgamated என்ன company. Sir, this is the transfer பாருங்க. Transfer of capital asset. சொல்லுங்க. Being shares of Indian company. Being shares of to a amalgamated in the company will not be regarded as in the hands of the amalgamating in the company. What is the content? What they are trying to say? I will explain. Just listen here. Sir, there are two parties are there in this transaction. Number one, amalgamating in the company, foreign company, and amalgamated in the company, foreign company. Amalgamating foreign company and amalgamated. இவங்க ரெண்டு பேருமே இந்தியாக்கு வெளியே தான் இருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? Sir, at the time of amalgamation, all the assets and liabilities of the amalgamating in the company should become the assets and liabilities of the Sir, இந்தியாக்கு வெளியே A limited, இந்தியாக்கு வெளியே B limited. இவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் சேர்ந்து AB limited நானா இந்தியால capital gain exempted சொல்ல வேண்டிய அவசியம் என்ன? Question arises. Yes or no? But you know one thing, this amalgamating in the company is having various asset, is having in that, sir, one of the asset is this amalgamating foreign company has invested in the shares of A&M Limited. Invested in the shares of this A&M Limited is situated in, that means this is a capital asset located in. So when the amalgamation is happening, this amalgamating foreign company is transferring all the capital asset to the or all the asset to the amalgamated foreign company. At that time, actually, even they are moving shares of in the company, Indian company, which is a capital asset located in. Actually, it is a transfer under section 2 subsection N7. For that amalgamating in the company, foreign company is liable to pay capital gain in India. But what government is saying that it will not be regarded as. இப்போ நீங்க படிங்க அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங் வர மாதிரி இருக்கும். Transfer of an asset. அப்ப ஏதோ ஒரு கேபிட்டல் அசெட் அவங்க என்ன பண்றாங்க? Transfer. Being shares of in the company. அதுதான் capital asset. So அந்த amalgamating foreign company என்ன வச்சிருக்காங்கன்னா shares of to an amalgamated in a company, foreign company will not be regarded as. ரொம்ப சிம்பிள். அப்ப இவ்வளவுதான் இருக்கு 47 clause என்ன 6A. ரெண்டு பார்ட்டிஸ் இருப்பாங்க. ஒன்னு amalgamating, ரெண்டாவது transfer of capital asset being shares of Indian company to an amalgamated foreign company will not be regarded as. ஒத்துக்கிறீங்களா? In the hands of the amalgamating. இப்போ யார் கையில ஷேர்ஸ் வந்திருக்கு? amalgamated foreign company கையில ஷேர்ஸ் வந்திருக்கா? அவங்க IFRS கட்ட வேண்டிய sir in the hands of transferee at the time of receipt no NOS because of proviso to 56 subsection 2. So the shares of Indian company has been moved from the hands of amalgamating foreign company to the amalgamated in a company. Appreciate பண்றியா? இப்போ யார் கையில இந்தியன் கம்பெனியோட ஷேர்ஸ் இருக்கு? amalgamated என்ன கம்பெனி? அவங்க அந்த ஃபியூச்சர்ல வித்தாங்கன்னா என்ன கெயின் அட்ராக்டட்? with check. Yes or no? Cost of acquisition is cost of acquisition to the என்ன owner? As per section 49 subsection 1, யாரு previous owner? Amalgamating foreign company. Period of holding should be reckoned from the owner. As per section NA. And the benefit of indexation should be reckoned from the owner. As per Manjula Jesha, that means normal scheme of taxation. Check will be applicable in the hands of the amalgamated foreign company. So what is the story? There will be two characters will be there. Number one, amalgamating foreign company. This amalgamating foreign company is holding the shares of a which is a dash asset. Capital asset. So when they are amalgamating, they are moving all the assets and liabilities inside that assets. The shares of Indian companies also there are. Transfer of capital asset being shares of Indian company by a amalgamating foreign company to an amalgamated foreign company will not be regarded as in the hands of the amalgamating foreign company. Clarity? But in order to enjoy this exemption under section 47 clause NA, this amalgamating foreign company should satisfy this condition. This condition. Number one, amalgamated company should be a company? Foreign company. Amalgamated company should be a already amalgamating foreign company was a company? Foreign company. Now they are amalgamating with another company. That is the amalgamated foreign company should be a company? That means the capital asset should be surrounded outside India itself. முன்னாடி எங்க இருந்துச்சு? இப்போவும் இந்த டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர் கப்போ எங்க தான் இருக்கணும்? அது இந்தியாக்குள்ள வரக்கூடாது. ஒரு சாது போடு. Then such transfer should not be taxed in a country. In the transfer, in the amalgamation, and the foreign country ல என்னவா இருக்கும்னா tax free ஆ இருக்கணும். என்னவா இருக்கணும்? அங்க என்ன ஃப்ரீனா? இங்கேயும் tax free. அங்க taxable னா இங்கேயும் taxable. Are you really with me? Next one. At least 25% of the shareholders. நம்ம பேசும்போது Indian amalgamation எத்தனை percent? அது இந்தியால இருக்கிறதுனால நம்ம 75% நம்மளால வாசி பிடிக்கலாம். ஆனா இது எங்க இருக்கு? அப்ப at least 25% of the shareholders of the amalgamating in a company should become the shareholders of the amalgamated in a company. Foreign company. That's it with regard to 47 clause NA. What? So join along with me. Transfer of capital asset being shares of Indian company to a amalgamate will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the amalgamating foreign company. Clarity? In order to enjoy this exemption, amalgamating foreign company should satisfy three conditions. The amalgamated company should be a foreign company. Sir, it should not be taxed in the foreign country. And at least 25% of the shareholders of the amalgamating foreign company should become the shareholders of the. For your better understanding, we are having one question. We are doing that. A foreign company, Lipton Incorporation, incorporated in Germany, is holding shares in an Indian company, Lipton Limited. So there is a foreign company. Foreign company is holding the shares of Indian company, which is an asset. These shares were acquired by Lipton Incorporation on 1/1/2013. Is this before base year, after base year? At rupees etra per share? 10 per share. Total how much share? Okay, man. The company Lipton Incorporation amalgamated with another foreign company, Unilever PLC, on 1/1/2024, which is in our financial era. And shares of Lipton India Limited are transferred to Unilever PLC by Lipton Incorporation under the scheme of amalgamation. So there is a foreign company. That foreign company has been amalgamated with another foreign company. At the time of transfer of all the assets, they have transferred the capital asset being shares of a Indian company. This will not be regarded as in the hands of the amalgamating foreign company as per 47 clause NA. Under the scheme of amalgamation, shares of Lipton India Limited were valued at etana per share. Even though it has been valued at more than the fair market value, more than the recorded value, adukkaga capital gain transfer or katta vendiya IFOS sir recipient katta vendiya both are tax free, correct? The AO want to tax the capital gain of 2,900 lakhs arising in the hands of Lipton Incorporation on account of transfer of shares of NA Incorporation. Lipton India, correct? Sir, company Unilever PLC is incorporated in United Kingdom. Advice. Is the AO correct? No, sir, because AO want to tax the capital gain in the hands of the amalgamating in the company. Foreign company. If the conditions under 47 clause NA 6A has been satisfied, it will not be regarded as. Sir, there will be no capital gain in the hands of Lipton Incorporation as per 47 clause NA 6A. Correct? As per 47 clause 6A. Hello, sir. If at least 25% shareholders of NA Incorporation, Lipton Incorporation continue to be shareholders of Unilever PLC, correct? and such transfer is not taxable as per the tax laws of Germany. If these two conditions are, because question specifically told that the new company is incorporated in foreign country, that means the amalgamated the company is a company, foreign company. That condition has already been satisfied in the question. So we have to check whether at least 25% shareholders of the amalgamating foreign company should become the shareholders of the amalgamated foreign company. And sir, next one, such a transfer should not be taxable in the hands of the foreign company as per the foreign laws. If there it is exempted, in India also it is exempted. If there it is taxable, in India also it is taxable. So what is, sir, that's it, we are done with one more clause addition. Listen here, what is 47 clause 6? Indian amalgamation. Shall we call it as Indian amalgamation? Sir, what is 47 clause 6A? Foreign amalgamation. In amalgamation, what is the one line summary? Transfer of capital asset by a amalgamating foreign company to an amalgamated foreign company. It will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the amalgamating in the company. I am moving into the next amalgamation. Again, amalgamating foreign company to amalgamated foreign company. Another amalgamating foreign company to amalgamated in a company. I will explain what the concept is all about. This concept plays a major role. So two characters are there. Number one, amalgamating in a company and amalgamated in a company, foreign company. So this amalgamating foreign company is A Limited. Example. Okay, and amalgamated foreign company is N Limited, B Limited. For your understanding, example. This amalgamating in a company, foreign company, hello sir, is holding shares of F Limited. Is holding shares of. This is also a foreign company which is situated in outside India. That means this is not an asset, capital asset. Sir, when these companies amalgamating with N Limited, B Limited, they will be transferring all the assets and liabilities. At that time, even they will transfer the shares of F Limited. That India transfer because of the asset. Okay, but you know one thing, this F Limited, which is situated outside India, is holding the shares of A&M Limited. Is holding the shares of. அவங்க எந்த கம்பெனியோட ஷேர்ஸ் ஹோல்ட் பண்றாங்க? A&M Limited shares hold பண்றாங்க. இல்லனா A&M Limited is holding 100% shares of N Limited, F Limited. That means F Limited க்கு individually ஒரு existence கிடையாது. யார்னால தான் existence? That means F Limited is deriving its value. F Limited is deriving its value because of shares of a company, Indian company. That means, sir, this A Limited, which is a amalgamating in a company, foreign company, indirectly holding a capital asset. Indirectly holding a. முன்னாடி A Limited என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னா டைரக்டா A&M Limited ஷேர்ஸ் ஹோல்ட் பண்ணிருந்தாங்க, கரெக்ட்டா? இப்போ என்ன பண்றாங்கன்னா அவங்க இன்னொரு ஃபாரின் கம்பெனியோட ஷேர்ஸ் ஹோல்ட் பண்றாங்க. அந்த இன்னொரு ஃபாரின் கம்பெனி சார் இந்தியன் கம்பெனியோட ஷேர்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணுது? That means இந்த இந்தியன் கம்பெனியோட ஷேர்ஸ்ல இருந்து தான் ஹலோ சார் இந்த ஃபாரின் கம்பெனியோட ஷேர் வேல்யூ என்ன ஆகுது? டிரைவ் ஆகுது. இந்த ஃபாரின் கம்பெனிக்கு தனியா எக்ஸிஸ்டன்ஸ் அவங்களுக்கு கிடையாது, பெரிய பிசினஸ், அவங்களுக்கு வர்ற ப்ராஃபிட், அவங்களோட குட்வில், அவங்களோட பிசினஸ் எல்லாமே யார்கிட்ட இருந்து வர்றது? இந்தியன் கம்பெனி கிட்ட இருந்து வர்றது. ஹென்ஸ் சார் அமால்கமேட்டிங் என்ன கம்பெனி? Foreign companies indirectly holding a capital asset which is situated in. So at the time of amalgamation, even though they are transferring the shares of foreign company, sir, indirectly they are moving the shares of Indian company which is a capital asset situated in India, but this will not be regarded as in the hands of the amalgamating foreign company. Shall I read the provision? What? Transfer of an asset. capital asset being shares of என்ன company அப்போ amalgamating foreign company யாரோட shares வச்சிருக்காங்க foreign company deriving value from என்ன company ஆனா அந்த foreign company யாரோட shares வச்சிருக்கு Indian company அப்படிதான் அவங்க value derive பண்றாங்களா to an amalgamated என்ன company foreign company will not be regarded as ஒத்துக்கிறீங்க அப்ப சொல்லு சார் ஆக்சுவலா மூணு கிளாஸ் இருக்கு இங்க பாருங்க சார் 47 கிளாஸ் 6 47 என்ன amalgamation 47 class 6A foreign amalgamation holding the shares of Indian company ஒத்துக்கிறியா 47 class 6AB foreign amalgamation holding the shares of foreign company deriving value from Indian company clarity yes, so there are three amalgamation section they are talking in that we have talked only Indian amalgamation in inter level but we are adding two more amalgamation at final level and consolidating amalgamation section classified into three category yes, 47 class 6 47 class 6A 47 class 6AB pakka sir like this even demerger also will be classified into three category my dear lovable students pakka yes, so amalgamation and merger demerger clear so amalgamation section or classes classified into three category 47 class 6 47 class 6A 47 class 6AB for your easy recalling for the examination I am adding or putting that as chart first amalgamation then I will be completing demerger and I will consolidate both you have to help me for amalgamation so amalgamation if you want you can also write or draw in your book for your reference if you want sir amalgamation classified into how many category three category because three classes are talking about amalgamation number 1 47 class 6 which is an amalgamation number 2 47 class NA 6A and 47 class 6AB 47 class 6 is an amalgamation Indian amalgamation enjoy பண்றியா 47 class NA 6A is an amalgamation foreign amalgamation holding என்ன company share Indian company shares holding Indian company shares 47 class 6AB என்ன amalgamation foreign amalgamation holding share என்ன சார் foreign company shares foreign amalgamation holding foreign company shares but deriving என்ன சார் value from NSR Indian company what deriving value from Indian company but deriving value from Indian company correct deriving value from Indian company this is called as applicability this is called as எந்தெந்த section யார் யார் கையில applicable ஆகும் number 2 capital asset 47 class 6 amalgamation பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் shares மட்டும் கிடையாது என்ன சார் ஏனா amalgamating company எங்க இருக்குறதுனால இந்தியால இருக்குறதுனால எல்லாமே என்ன சார் தான் capital asset தான் சார் all capital asset plant and machinery capital asset தான் சார் building capital asset தான் everything is an asset man capital asset all an asset capital asset sir இதே sir what is a capital asset Indian company shares அதுதான் என்ன செட் இங்க என்ன capital asset னா foreign company shares deriving value from என்ன company Indian company deriving value from Indian company the next one my dear lovable students the next difference sir exemption applicable to யாருக்கு 47 class 6 யார் கையில அப்ளை ஆகும் amalgamating என்ன company Indian company appreciate பண்றீங்களா இங்க யாருக்கு applicable ஆகும் amalgamating foreign company இங்க யாருக்கு applicable ஆகும் amalgamating foreign company then next one conditions என்ன தெரியுமா இங்க கண்டிஷன்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கண்டிஷன் என்னன்னா அட்லீஸ்ட் என்ன 75% of the shareholders of the amalgamating company should become the shareholders of the. Okay, right. This is the percentage condition. Next one. இங்க இல்ல அது இல்ல, அடுத்ததுல percentage condition. 25% of the amalgamating foreign company should become the shareholders of the amalgamated. இங்கேயும் அதேதான் 25 because ரெண்டுமே foreign company தானே இல்லையா? 25% of the amalgamating foreign company should become the shareholders of the amalgamated என்ன company? Foreign company. இங்க taxability பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் sir it should not be taxed in என்ன country? Foreign country. இங்கேயும் அதேதான் it should not be taxed in என்ன country? Foreign country. கரெக்ட்டா? இங்க அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சிச்சுவேஷன் கிடையாது. because ரெண்டு பேரும் எங்க இருக்காங்க? இந்தியா. it should not be taxed in India ன்னு சொன்னா நம்ம தான் ஆக்டே எழுதுறோம், அப்படி சொல்ல முடியாது. ரைட். சோ அதனால அந்த கண்டிஷன் இங்க அப்ளை ஆகாது. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். இங்க வந்து amalgamated company should be என்ன கம்பெனி? Indian company. இங்க amalgamated company should be என்ன கம்பெனி? Foreign company. இங்க amalgamated company should be என்ன கம்பெனி? Foreign company. Is there any other difference? No sir. We have covered all the difference இல்லையா? Yes sir. This is what என்ன sir required. இவ்வளவு போதும். அதுக்கு மேல நம்ம இத அனலைஸ் பண்ண வேண்டிய அவசியம் இல்லை. பாயிண்ட்ஸ் இல்ல, அதனால தான் all the points we have covered. Amalgamation ஓட summary table sir 47 clause 6, 47 clause 6A and 47 clause 6AB. 47 clause 6 is Indian amalgamation, 47 clause 6A is foreign amalgamation holding Indian company share. 47 clause 6AB is sir foreign amalgamation holding foreign company shares deriving value from Indian company. Like the same way I will analyze demerger also my dear lovable students. So shall I proceed? Yes sir. வா அப்ப இங்க வா, இப்ப படி, உனக்கு அழகா என்ஜாய் பண்ணி அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஆகும் பாரு. transfer of an asset, capital asset being shares of என்ன company? Foreign company deriving value from என்ன company? Indian company. Indian company sir to a reduce it to a amalgamated என்ன company? Foreign company will not be regarded as transfer. Will not be regarded as. Okay man. இப்போ எந்த கம்பெனியோட ஷேர்ஸ் மூவ் ஆயிருக்கு? Foreign company shares move out. That foreign company is deriving value from Indian company. Correct? So the amalgamated foreign company has received the foreign company share. Correct? But there is no NOS, IFOS because of proviso to 56 subsection 2 clause 10 in the hands of யார் கையில? இப்போ foreign company ஓட shares யார் கையில இருக்கு? Amalgamated foreign company. அது அவங்க ஃபியூச்சர்ல விக்க என்ன இருக்கு? வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. அப்ப என்ன கெயின் வரும்? At that time check will be applicable. What is the check? Cost of acquisition is equal to cost of the as per section 49 subsection 1. Period of holding should be reckoned from the previous owner as per section, and benefit of indexation should be reckoned from the previous owner as per. Now what are the conditions to be satisfied for availment of exemption under 47 clause 6AB? இது யார் என்ஜாய் பண்ணுவா? Amalgamating sir amalgamated company should be a such transfer should not be taxed in. At least 25% of the shareholders of the amalgamating foreign company should become the shareholders of the Paka. So that's it. We have done with the sir clauses of amalgamation. There are 3 clauses are there. 47 clause 6, 47 clause 6AB. வெறும் 6 அதுக்கு அப்புறம் A ஆரம்பிச்சு ஆட் பண்ணிக்கோ, அப்புறம் AB ஆட் பண்ணிக்கோ. ஒத்துக்கறனே? I'm coming to the demerger. We talked about Indian demerger. Still I'll be recalling the provisions of Indian demerger and I will consolidate or put one table for demerger also. சார் இங்க பாரு சார், இன்னும் கம்மி பண்ணுமா? ஏசி கம்மி பண்ண, மேல தூக்கும். எஸ்டர்டே சர்வீஸ் பண்ணாங்க, அதனால பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் அதிகமாக இருக்கு. எஸ் சார், வேற எதுவும் ஃபைன் சார். ஸோ மை டியர் லவபிள் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், சார் டிமர்ஜர் பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் நம்ம எப்படி பேசணும்னா, there is a company called as ANM Limited. ஒரு கம்பெனி இருக்கு, என்ன லிமிடெட்? இந்த ANM லிமிடெட்ங்கற கம்பெனிக்கு 3 டிவிஷன், டிவிஷன் A, டிவிஷன் N and டிவிஷன் M. ஹலோ சார், இதுல டிவிஷன் A and டிவிஷன் N பிரம்மாண்டமா பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுது. ஆனா டிவிஷன் M பிரம்மாண்டமா பெர்ஃபார்ம். அப்ப அவங்க என்ன பண்ணிட்டாங்கன்னா சார் இந்த டிவிஷன் M என்ன பண்ணலாம்? டிமர்ஜ் பண்ணலாம். டிவிஷன் M டிமர்ஜ் பண்ணலாம். இவங்க இத டிமர்ஜ் பண்ணி ஒரு புது கம்பெனி ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க, M லிமிடெட். என்ன லிமிடெட் சார்? அப்போ this ANM limited is called as demerged company. இவங்களோட பேர் என்ன சார்? M limited is called as resulting company. என்ன கம்பெனி? அப்ப ANM limited demerged company. சார் M limited சோ அப்போ என்ன சார்? கம்பெனி A இருக்கு, கம்பெனி N இருக்கு, கம்பெனி M இருக்கா? Transfer of capital asset. Why தோறங்க? By a demerged company to the என்ன company will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the. அதுக்கு all the assets and liabilities of the demerged company னு சொல்லக்கூடாது, demerged unit. எது demerged unit? M. அப்ப all the assets and liabilities of the demerged unit should become the assets and liabilities of the resulting company. ஒத்துக்கிறியா? அப்படினா it will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the demerged company as per 47 clause 6B. 47 clause இங்க வா 6 நாலே amalgamation-ஆ? எஸ் சார். அப்ப 6 சீரிஸ் அமால்கமேஷன் பத்தியும் பேசுது, டிமர்ஜர் பத்தியும் பேசுது. கரெக்ட்டா? டிமர்ஜ் ஆவறதுக்கு முன்னாடி ANM லிமிடெட் வாஸ் a big company. கரெக்ட்டா? பட் டிமர்ஜ் ஆனா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா கம்பெனி என்ன ஆயிடும்? சின்னதாயிடும். கரெக்ட்டா இல்லையா? அப்ப 47 clause 6B B stands for big company. பிக் கம்பெனி தான் என்ன ஆகுவாங்க? டிமர்ஜ் ஆவாங்க. இப்ப வெறும் டிவிஷன் A மட்டும் தான் இருக்குனா சார் அவங்க டிமர்ஜ் பண்ணிட்டா அதுக்கு அப்புறம் அவங்களோட எக்ஸிஸ்டன்ஸ் க்ளோஸ் ஆயிடும். ஆனா டிமர்ஜர்ல அமால்கமேஷன் மாதிரி கிடையாது. அமால்கமேஷன்ல அமால்கமேட்டிங் கம்பெனி செத்து போயிடும், அமால்கமேட்டட் கம்பெனி உயிரோட இருக்கும். ஆனா டிமர்ஜர்ல டிமர்ஜிங் கம்பெனியும் உயிரோட இருக்கும், என்ன சார்? ரிசல்ட்டிங் கம்பெனி உயிரோட இருக்கும். ஆனா டிமர்ஜிங் கம்பெனி முன்னாடி இருந்த அளவுக்கு பெருசா இருக்காது, அதை விட. அதனாலதான் 47 clause 6B B stands for என்னது? So இதுல நீ characters பார்த்தேனா there will be 3 characters in the demerger also. கரெக்ட்டா? amalgamationல யாரெல்லாம் 3 character? amalgamating company, amalgamated company, shareholders of amalgamating company. Clarity? அதே மாதிரி நீ வந்து demergerல characters பார்த்தேனா demerged company சொல்லுங்க. Then ரெண்டாவது சார் resulting company and shareholders of demerged company. Shareholders of okay man. இப்ப demerged company transfer of an asset, capital asset by a dash company, demerged company to the resulting company will not be regarded as in the hands of the as per 47 clause 6B. B stands for என்ன company? சார் ரிசல்ட்டிங் கம்பெனிக்கும் 47க்கும் என்னவே இல்லை. அவங்களுக்கு IFOS தான் வாய்ப்பு இருக்கே தவிர கேபிட்டல் கெயினுக்கு டிஸ்கஷனே இல்ல ரிசீவ் பண்ணும்போது. கரெக்ட்டா? தென் ஷேர் ஹோல்டர்ஸ் ஆஃப் என்ன கம்பெனி? டிமர்ஜர் கம்பெனி. நம்ம என்ன பேசி இருந்தோம்னா they were holding the shares of எந்த கம்பெனியோட? டிமர்ஜர் கம்பெனியோட ஷேர்ஸ் அவங்க ஹோல்ட் பண்றாங்களா? டிமர்ஜர் கம்பெனி செத்து போயிச்சா இல்ல பேரலைஸ் ஆயிச்சா? பேரலைஸ் தான் இருக்கா? எதுவுமே ஆகல. கரெக்ட்டா இல்லையா? ஆனா அவங்களோட நெட்வொர்க் என்ன இருக்கு? because they were having A, N and M. All the assets and liabilities of the M unit has been transferred to the resulting company. அப்ப இந்த demerger நடக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு 10 crore rupees ஓட நெட்வொர்க் யாருக்கு இருக்குனா ANM limited இருக்குனா சார் அதுல 4 crore rupees is what the assets and liability related to யாருக்கு? M. பக்கா? அப்ப after demerger my dear lovable students 4 crore sorry 10 crore minus 4 crore எத்தனை crore தான் இருக்கும்? அப்ப ஷேர் ஹோல்டர் முன்னாடி ஹோல்டிங் த ஷேர்ஸ் ஆஃப் டிமர்ஜ்டு கம்பெனியா, அதோட நெட்வொர்த் ஆர் வேல்யூ எத்தனை crore வச்சிருப்பாங்க. இப்போ ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா அதோட வேல்யூ என்னாச்சு. So this is a relinquishment of the asset or extinguishment of another rights therein. So this is actually a transfer under section 2 subsection. Actually shareholders என்ன கட்டி ஆகணும், கேபிட்டல் கெயின் கட்டி ஆகணும். ஏன்னா அந்த ஷேரோட வேல்யூ என்னாச்சுன்னு சொல்லி கம்மியாச்சுன்னு சொல்லி they are compensated by getting the shares of என்ன கம்பெனி. So they will get the shares of resulting company. Follow பண்றியா? So அப்ப ஷேர் ஹோல்டரோட கையில எந்த கம்பெனியோட ஷேர்ஸ் இருக்கும், எந்த கம்பெனியோட ஷேர்ஸ் இருக்கும். அதுல டிமர்ஜ்டு கம்பெனியோட வேல்யூ என்னாச்சு, அத காம்பன்சேட் பண்றதுக்காக தான் ரிசல்ட்டிங் கம்பெனியோட ஷேர்ஸ் தராங்க. கரெக்ட்டா? Actually this is a transfer under section 2 subsection because there is an extinguishment or relinquishment of rights therein. My dear lovable students, yes sir. So it has to be treated as transfer. But what section? 47 clause 6D. 47 clause 6D. 47 clause is saying that it will not be regarded as in the hands of the holder. Shareholders. Appa shareholders can receive shares of for the reduction of value of demerged company, but this will not be regarded as. This is what we have explained. We have already explained this in detail in our class. Correct? So transfer of an asset, capital asset by a dash company to the end company will not be regarded as in the hands of the company. Now in the hands of the end holder, shareholder. My dear lovable students, shareholders receive the shares of demerged company, receive the shares of resulting company for reduction of value of. This will not be regarded as transfer. So will not be regarded as transfer. No NOS because of proviso to 56 subsection 2 N10 clause 10. I'm moving into the next slot or the next discussion. Hello sir. Sir, எப்படி நம்ம amalgamationல எதை டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணோமோ, foreign amalgamation டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணோமோ, அதே மாதிரி தான் என்ன டிமர்ஜர், டிக்டோசிங். இங்க வா. So there are two companies are there sir, foreign demerged company and foreign resulting company. இப்ப நான் அப்படின்னு கூப்பிட போறேன். இந்த foreign demerged companyக்கு ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா ANM அப்படின்னு 3 யூனிட் இருக்கா. இதுல M யூனிட் அவங்க demerge பண்றாங்களா, demerge பண்ணி புது கம்பெனி ஆரம்பிக்கிறாங்களா as என்ன limited. It is maybe M limited, M incorporation, whatever it may be. For your understanding, I am using the basic terms. Are you really with me? Yes sir. This M limited or ANM, in that M unit were holding the shares of Indian company. Shares of. So when they transfer all the assets and liabilities of a particular unit, hello sir, sir, even they will transfer the shares of N also. இன்னும் கம்மி பண்ணிக்கோ. என்ன ஆல்சோ இந்தியன் கம்பெனி ஷேர்ஸ் ஆல்சோ. கரெக்டா சார்? அவங்க வந்து ANM யூனிட்ல M யூனிட் என்ன பண்ணும்போது டிமர்ஜ் பண்ணும்போது இவ்வளவு பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கல. எஸ் சார். சார் டிமர்ஜ் பண்ணும்போது மை டியர் லவபிள் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், they will even transfer the shares of என்ன கம்பெனி, இந்தியன் கம்பெனி. Actually this is a transfer, but this will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the demerged foreign company. என்னது? அங்க வந்து amalgamating foreign company னு சொல்லுவோம். அப்ப amalgamatingங்கற வார்த்தை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வைக்கிறோம். இங்க demerged என்ன கம்பெனி, foreign company as per 47 clause 6C. 47 clause 6C 47 clause. அப்ப இங்க பாருங்க சார், demerged என்ன கம்பெனி, foreign company to demerged என்ன company, resulting company. ஒத்துக்கிறியா? Transfer of an asset being shares of என்ன company to a resulting என்ன company, foreign company will not be regarded as. இப்போ shares யார் கையில் இருக்கு? resulting foreign company கையில் இருக்கு. யாரோட ஷேர்? Indian company share. When they receive, no NOS because of proviso to 56 subsection 2. But on future sir demerged என்ன சார் ஃபாரின் கம்பெனி கையில இருந்து ரிசல்ட்டிங் ஃபாரின் கம்பெனிக்கு கையில போன ஷேர்ஸ் ரிசல்ட்டிங் ஃபாரின் கம்பெனி விக்க என்ன இருக்கு அப்ப என்ன வரும் at that time check will be cost of acquisition is cost to the என்ன owner as per 49 subsection 1 and period of holding should be reckoned from the previous owner as per section and benefit of indexation should be from the previous owner as per Manjula. Sir, what are the conditions to be satisfied by the demerged foreign company to enjoy 47 clause 6 or resulting company should be a ரெண்டு பேர் ஃபாரின்ல இருக்கணும். Such a transfer should not be tax rate. At least 25% shareholders of the demerged foreign company should become the shareholders of the resulting. அங்க amalgamation சொன்னோம், இங்க அவ்வளவுதான் விஷயம். அங்க 47 clause 6A னு சொன்னோம், இங்க 47 clause 6C னு சொல்றோம். பக்கா? So one question for understanding is there. We'll read that question. A foreign company IBM Incorporation incorporated in USA is holding shares of என்ன company? Indian company IBM India Limited. Okay. These shares were acquired by IBM Incorporation USA on 1/1/2013 at எத்தனை per share? Total எவ்வளவு lakh share? IBM Incorporation USA is engaged in dash and dash business. IBM India Limited is engaged in என்ன business? IBM Incorporation USA demerges its என்ன business to a company Sigma PLC in London. That means the resulting company is also a foreign company on 1/1/2024. In the scheme of demerger, the shares of IBM India Limited are transferred at எத்தனை per share? To Sigma PLC. AO wants to tax the capital gain of 2,900 lakhs in the hands of IBM Incorporation USA. Advice, no, AO is wrong. Correct dane? Because this will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the demerged foreign company provided three conditions has been satisfied. Number one, the resulting company should be a yes, resulting company is a sir, there will be no capital gain in the hands of IBM Incorporation USA. Transfer of shares of IBM India by virtue of section 47 clause 6C. Correct? Shareholders holding எத்தனை percentage? 25% or more of the value of shares of IBM Incorporation USA continue to be the shareholders of Sigma PLC UK, and such transfer do not attract capital gain in USA. If these conditions are satisfied, it will not be regarded as the same example. There will be two company, my dear lovable students, demerged in a company and demerged resulting, sorry, not demerged, resulting in a company, foreign company. Correct? This demerged in a company, foreign company is holding shares of foreign company which derive the value from Indian company. The similar lines with regard to amalgamation. Correct? So transfer of capital asset being shares of any company, foreign company, deriving value from Indian company to a resulting foreign company will not be regarded as in the hands of the demerged foreign company as per 47 clause 6CC 6 இங்க என்னது first one main demerger Indian demerger 47 clause 6D D stands for 6B B stands for big company correct இங்க இரண்டாவது 6C அடுத்து 6 okay man so 47 clause 6CC demerged in a company to resulting foreign company foreign shares of foreign company par transfer of NS being shares of in a company deriving value from in a company to a resulting in a company will not be regarded as transfer. Clear? In the hands of the transferee adhiyari no NOS at the time of receipt because of proviso 56 subsection 2 In the hands of transferee at the time of NS sale, dash gain attracted with check, cost of acquisition is cost to the, as per 49 subsection 1, period of holding should be reckoned from there. As per section 242A, and benefit of indexation should be from there. As per NJ sir, in order to enjoy 47 clause 6cc by the demerged in the company, they should satisfy 3 conditions. Sir. Number 1, resulting company should be a, such transfer should not be taxed in. At least 25% of the shareholders of the demerged foreign company should become shareholders of the. Are you really with me? So shall we put a consolidated table for demerger also? Demerger, we are having 3 sections, my dear lovable students. Indian demerger, foreign demerger with Indian company share, foreign demerger with the foreign company shares deriving value Indian company. So tell me, number 1, 47 class 6B, B stands for big company. Then 47 class 6C, that is a demerger, foreign demerger. 47 class 6CC, this is also foreign demerger. Okay, right. We'll write the ange enna eludhumo adhe order la eludhuvom. Then the table looks similar and easy for comparison. Anga first enna eludhirukom inga applicability illaya. So the particulars, number 1 is application. This is Indian demerger. This can be termed as Indian demerger. This is foreign demerger holding Indian company shares. In the foreign demerger holding foreign company shares. Foreign demerger holding foreign company shares. Clear? Okay. What have you written there? Capital asset being transferred. So what is a capital asset you have transferred? 47 clause 6B. All capital asset. All are capital asset. Irukara ellame capital asset. Capital asset definition la viladhu ellame enna asset? Capital asset da. Next 47 clause 6C. Indian company shares. Here foreign company shares deriving value from Indian company. Deriving value from Indian company. What was the third one? Conditions. Who can enjoy exemption? Exemption can be enjoyed by. Exemption can be enjoyed by. First 47 clause 6B. Indian demerged company. Indian demerged company. Right. Anga. Foreign demerged company. Anga. Foreign demerged company. What's the next two particulars we have right there? I think conditions. Condition. So here at least 75% of the demerged unit should become the shareholders of the resulting unit. Anga. At least 25% of the demerged unit should become the shareholders of the resulting unit. At least 25% shareholders of the demerged unit should become the shareholders of the resulting unit. Inga tax patti endha condition kadayadu, correct? But foreign country it should be enna free? Tax free. Ingayum it should be enna free? Tax free. Inga tax patti edume pesala. What's the next one?
One more condition in India, we say shares should be issued on a proportional basis.
Common conditions. Say common. Common. Is there any other condition? Yes. Yes. Resulting company should be a Indian company. Inga resulting company should be a foreign company. Ingayum resulting company should be a foreign company. Resulting company should be an Indian company. Resulting company should be a foreign company. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I think everything we have put in a table. The final, we can put one chart, summary. Till now, what we have discussed is called a summary. Write the chart heading corporate arrangements. Corporate arrangements classified in two category. CA means corporate arrangements, classified into two category. Number one, amalgamation. Number two, demerger. Number two, demerger. Amalgamation classified into three category. 47 clause 6, 47 clause 6A, 47 clause 6AB. Demerger again classified into three category. 47 clause 6B, 47 clause 6C, 47 clause 6CC, 47 clause 6. Put a down mark and write, just note Indian amalgamation. That's it. 47 clause 6A, foreign amalgamation holding Indian company shares. 6AB, foreign amalgamation holding foreign company shares deriving value from Indian company. 47 clause 6B, Indian demerger. Are you following? 47 clause 6C, foreign demerger holding Indian company shares. 47 clause 6CC, foreign demerger holding foreign company shares deriving value from Indian company. So when you go through this chart itself, you will be able to appreciate or understand what the full clauses of amalgamation and full clauses of demerger. Completed? Easy? I'm moving, sir. Paka. 47A, we have already discussed end of exemption, withdrawal of exemption. This is applicable to 47 clause 4 and 47 clause. So 47A is in a condition, futuristic condition. Capital asset should not be converted into for a period of how many years? And subsidiary company should be wholly owned subsidiary company for a period of. Sir, if condition violate achana, party who enjoyed exemption, that means it may be either holding company or subsidiary company. As per 47 clause 4 or 47 clause, then we will withdraw the exemption as per 47A, and we will be computing the capital gain in accordance with section 155. But party who received the asset, capital asset, if they have converted the capital asset into an entry, stock in trade, because of that only 47A is attracting in the hands of the person who has converted. So provisions of 45 subsection 2 will be, once the provisions of 45 subsection 2 will be applicable, always the income will be taxable under how many heads of income? 2 heads of income. One is capital gain and PGBP. Once you calculate that capital gain, chuck will not be applicable because the chain has been broken. So the cost of acquisition is the cost of acquisition as per 49 subsection. So while computing capital gain, cost of acquisition is actual consideration paid under what section? And period of holding should be reckoned from the date of receipt of, and benefit of indexation should be from the first held by the assessee, and we will not move into what? Previous? H Limited hold 100% shares of N Limited, S Limited, which is a N company? Indian company. That means there is holding company, subsidiary company. H Limited purchased the land on 1/1/2003 for 1 lakh. And same is sold to S Limited on 1/1/2012 for 1 lakh. Sir, this will not be regarded as, because this is a transaction between holding company and wholly owned subsidiary company. It is exempted as per 47 clause 4. Shall I continue? Yes, Limited converted the land into an trade of its business on 22/2017. That means within how many years? 8 years. They have violated the condition which are stipulated under section 47A. So futuristic condition has been violated. when its fair market value is etana. Now the new company, the received company has to calculate both capital gain and PGBP. S Limited sells the stock in trade on 1/1/2024 for how much? Discuss the end obligation. முதல்ல in the hands of H Limited, which is holding company, for assessment year 12-13, capital gain on sale of land is exempt under 47 clause 4 because NSR it will not be regarded as. But sir, since the futuristic condition has not been satisfied, 47A will get attracted. So shall we calculate the capital gain in accordance with section 155? Yes sir. What is the period of holding? உண்மையிலேயே அவங்க எப்ப சார் வாங்கி இருக்காங்க? 1/1/2023. உண்மையிலேயே எப்ப ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணிருக்காங்க? 1/1/2012. அதுக்கு ஒரு நாள் முன்னாடி 31/12/2011. am I right? So actually இப்பவே நீங்க கால்குலேட் பண்ணி இருக்கணும் கேபிட்டல் கெயின். அதே கேபிட்டல் கெயினை கொஞ்சம் விட்டு கால்குலேட் பண்றீங்க. So the nature of the capital asset is என்ன capital asset? Long term capital asset. Sale price எவ்வளவு ரூபீஸ் உண்மையா வித்திருக்காங்க? 10 lakhs. Less cost of acquisition or index cost of acquisition. So இவங்க உண்மையிலே வாங்குறது how much lakhsக்கு? 1 lakhs. எந்த வருஷம் வாங்கி இருக்காங்கன்னா 2002-2003 ல வாங்கி இருக்காங்களா? 2002-2003 ஓட CII 105 into N84. That means 1 lakh divided by 105 into 184. You are getting some indexed cost of this long term capital gain will be taxable in the hands of the holding company, but not in the year of actual transfer. The deferment will be happen. So assessment of H Limited can be rectified under what section? Up to 31/3/2021, which is 8 years. Hello sir. Sir, in the hands of ipa yarku va? S Limited subsidiary company, they have converted the capital asset into stock in trade. 2x will be applicable. Number one, first we have to calculate the PGBP. Yes sir. PGBP is what is the sale price? உண்மையிலே எவ்வளவு lakhs வித்திருக்காங்க? 17 lakh. உண்மையிலே with the sale price 17.5 lakhs. But on the date of conversion, what is the fair market value? So what is the gap? This 50,000 should be parked under PGBP. Now I am going to calculate N again. Capital gain. Sir, for that you have to take the full value of consideration as the fair market value as on date of transfer. Comes with a lakh. 17 lakh. Less cost of acquisition. Sir, 49 subsection 1 attract ஆகுமா ஆவாதா? ஆவாது. Because 47 attract ஆயிடுச்சு. அதனால chain broke ஆயிடுச்சு. கரெக்டா? அதனால cost of acquisition will be as per 49 subsection. The cost of acquisition is equal to cost of acquisition. கரெக்டா? Yes sir. உண்மையிலேயே subsidiary company எவ்வளவு கொடுத்து வாங்கி இருக்காங்க? 10 lakhs. So that 10 lakhs can be adopted as the sir, since this asset is a long term capital asset, my dear lovable students, you can take the indexation. Yes, upper 10 lakhs divided by N84 into 264 comes to sir 14,34,783. You will be getting long term capital gain, and total income taxable in the hands of subsidiary company will be PGBP plus capital gain, which comes to 3,15,217. With this we can say that we are through with part number 1 of 47. Okay?
Yes, sir.
I'll just write the clauses. You tell me what are those clauses meant for in part number 1. What is 47 clause 1? Transfer of capital asset by an HUF to its members at the time of will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the. What is 47 clause 3? Transfer of capital asset by way of gift or will or inheritance will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the transferor. Donor. What is 47 clause 4? Transfer of capital asset by a holding company to its wholly owned subsidiary company will not be regarded as. What is 47 clause 5? Transfer of capital asset. Then we are having amalgamation and merger. Sir, in that amalgamation, we are having 47 clause 6. Transfer of capital asset by a amalgamating company to the amalgamated company will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the. So we are having 47 clause 6A. சொல்லுங்க. Transfer of capital asset being the shares of an Indian company by amalgamating foreign company to an amalgamated foreign company will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the. We are having 47 clause 6 AB. Transfer of capital asset being shares of a foreign company deriving the value from Indian company will not be regarded as in the hands of the amalgamating. Then we are having 47 clause 7. Transfer of capital asset being the shares of amalgamating company to get the shares of amalgamated company will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the shareholder. Paka. This is how you have to recall. Are you really with me? Then you are having in a merger, demerger, my dear lovable students, 47 clause 6B. Transfer of an asset, capital asset by demerged company to the resulting company will not be regarded as in the hands of the 47 clause 6C. Transfer of capital asset being shares of an Indian company by amalgamating demerged foreign company to a resulting foreign company will not be regarded as in the hands of the 47 clause 6CC. Transfer of capital asset being shares of a foreign company deriving value from an Indian company will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the demerged foreign company. 47 clause 6D. D stands for demerger. Actually, shareholders were holding the shares of the, because of demerger, its values goes down, and in order to compensate that, they will get the shares of the resulting company. This will not be regarded as transfer in the hands of the shareholders of the, as per 47 clause. With this part 1 out of 7 parts comes to an நிறைய டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். பார்ட் 3 பார்ட் 4 எல்லாமே அங்க நான் பண்ணும்போது 7 பார்ட்ஸா பண்ணல because intern only 14 classes தான் இருக்கு. பட் 25 classes are there extra for CA file. 25 class. அதுல ஒண்ணு தான் இப்போ நம்ம அகாமடேஷன் 6 நீங்க சொல்லணும். A 6 AB அது மாதிரி 6 C இதோட 6 இதெல்லாம் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா classes. ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி Start.